Alright, back at the field again today. Another maiden flight. Got this one bound to the transmitter. It's the Hummer 3D 1000mm wingspan. I've got a gyro installed to try to do some hovering. Again, I've only flown that a few times several years ago, so try again today. Sort of a remaiden. Got a 3S battery for the glider that I made the other day. Get more speed, hopefully some more lift to get up higher. Just thrash it around, and then of course the Blade 150S. Got these new main blades, bright green, hopefully easier to see, and just some more practice on some flips and rolls. I'm actually gonna let the helicopter rest for a minute. Seems like it's too hot out now for the motors. Move on to the FMS glider 3S. No winds right now, so we're good. Straight hand launch. Too much right roll. A little tail heavy looking, but we'll see. Power off. Yeah, fix that roll. Get some full throttle. Let's go over this soccer field. So come left to right. Do a roll. Let's do a loop. Trimming it out. Some right, left roll too much now. Gliding down. It's just floating. It seems pretty level now, a little bit more right. Alright, speed run. Full throttle. Got a lot of lift. More expo on the elevator, I think. Maybe less rate. Just climbs. Almost unrestricted climb. Alright, let's glide down. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, I'm gonna put the battery more forward. It seems like it's kind of tail heavy, but throttle off, it's lifting. Try to do roll, full throttle, slow roll, barely any authority. Yeah, let's do less elevator authority, less rate. Let's try and keep it low and fly it slow, low. Power on. 20% power, maybe 15%. Keep it level. No rudder, just ailerons and elevator. Super chill. You'll glide this thing for 30 minutes if you wanted to. Let's turn over the pond. Some power. Around in front, glide. Yeah, it's got winglets, so we'll climb, I guess, naturally. Barrel roll. Do loop towards us. Keep it kind of low here. I think it's got some right trim. It wants to probably torque rolling while it's looping. Yeah, it's torque rolling for sure. To come out here with my 800mm glider. Might need more room, but it should be fine. Haven't flown a plane in a while. I'm going to try and do a Cuban 8. Yeah, there's your Cuban. One more. Whew, it's rolling. Now it's hot, sun's back out. Let's get it up high. Let's not burn it up, because I don't know if this EC will handle it or the motor. Let's keep it at 80-90% throttle. Oh my god, it's hot. Alright, cut it there. Glide. See if we can do a glide loop. Yep, no power. Loop. You want to bring it in. Do another minute and bring it in. Try and come left to right for landing. Oh, it could be the wind that's pushing the wing down. Yeah, here's a little gust. Alright, let's find a pattern here. Take it out there a bit. Cut. Coming in hot. Yep, wind's pushing to the right. Alright, that'll work.